Cleaning temporary files using disk cleanup. The process is the same for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, open Disk Cleanup. Select Drive C, then click OK. Select Temporary Files, then click OK. Clearing File Explorer History. First, open File Explorer. Click View, then click Options. In the General tab, click Clear. On Windows 11, after opening File Explorer, click the three dots, then click Options. Finally, click Clear in the General tab. Clearing Browser Cache. In Google Chrome, click the three dots and open History. Click Clear Browsing Data, then click Clear Data. In Firefox, click the hamburger menu, then open Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Scroll down, then click Clear History. Click Clear Now. In Microsoft Edge, click the three dots, then open Settings. Click Privacy, Search, and Services. Click Choose what to clear, then click Clear Now.